Okay guys, welcome back to another technical analysis video. So going into this week, these are some great stocks to keep on your watch list. Let's start with the first stock, ticker symbol avgo, Broadcom. Today the stock was down 2.80%, and for the past month the stock is down over 13%. Now looking at the chart, the stock is currently inside of a bullish falling wedge. If we do get a breakout and a nice push towards the upside, my target is at $228 per share. With that said, keep your eyes on these levels. Currently, the stock has support at 165. If it falls below 165, then look for it to come down to 150. Now, above 165, the stock has resistance at 185 and at 195. Now, as long as Broadcom can stay above 165, I want you guys to look for a move towards 185. And like I said earlier, if it falls below 165, then look for a pull down to 150. The next stock is Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM. So with today's market pullback, the stock was only down 0.38%. And for the month, the stock is down a little bit over 13%. Now, from recent all-time highs, the stock is currently trading at a discount of 40%. With that said, looking at the chart, the stock is currently inside of a bullish broadening wedge. If the stock can break out of this pattern, my price target is at 154. That's about a 13% move from current price. With that said, current support is at 136. If Qualcomm fails to hold this level as support, then look for the stock to come down to 125 and potentially 114. Now, above current support, you have resistance at 154 and at 163. The next stock is Boeing, ticker symbol BA. So with today's market pullback, the stock was down 1.58%. And for the month, the stock is currently down over 10%. Now, from recent highs at 267, the stock is currently down over 40%. On Wednesday, Boeing will be reporting their earnings, so be on the lookout for increased volatility within the stock. With that said, currently the stock is running into resistance at 163. If it can't get above that price, then look for it to come down to 151. If 151 fails to hold as support, then look for the stock to come down to 139. And then the next level to watch is at 132. Now, if Boeing can get above 163, then look for a run towards 177. With the backing of the US government, this company will not be allowed to fail. And for that reason, this is a great stock to put on your watch list. With that said, my overall target for Boeing is at 236. The next stock is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. If you're currently trading Tesla's stock, make sure that you're choosing the right direction, because tomorrow the company will be reporting their earnings. Now, on the day, Tesla stock was down 5.96%. And for the month, the stock is down over 8%. Now, looking at the chart, Tesla has support at 215. If it falls below 215, the next support is at 195 and at 185. Above current support, you have resistance at 246 and at $300 per share. Overall, Tesla is still trading inside of this bullish broadening wedge structure. Once the stock breaks out, look for a run towards $494. The next stock is Meta, ticker symbol META. Now, on the day, Meta stock was down a little bit over 3%. And for the month, the stock is down over 18%. Okay, so now that Meta stock has lost support at 506, I want you guys to keep your eyes on the next support level at 471. If 471 gets broken, then look for the stock to come all the way down to 436. Above current support, the stock has resistance at 506 and at 587. Overall, my price target for Meta stock remains at $824 per share. That's a 70% move from its current price. The next stock is Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. So on the day, Palantir stock was down over 3%. And for the month, the stock is only down 0.18%. So in about 2 weeks, on Monday, May the 5th, make sure you guys are aware that Palantir will be reporting their earnings. With that said, Palantir is slightly falling below support at $92. So if Palantir keeps falling below this level, I want you guys to watch support at $78. If that level breaks, then look for the stock to come down to $70 per share. Now, above $92, you have resistance at 108 and at 125. Overall, I'm looking for Palantir stock to get back to $144 per share. From current price, that's a move of almost 60%. Alright guys, that concludes my analysis for today. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.